So, good day everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating topic. It's all about clouds. So, have you ever tried to look up in the sky and wonder how those fluffy and white shape form of clouds? Or why sometimes the skies are looks like dark and stormy? Well, by the end in this lesson, you'll be able to understand and analyze the science behind this cloud formation and why clouds plays a crucial role in our daily lives. So, let's proceed with our topic. So, what is clouds? Okay. So, clouds are a tiny droplets of water or a crystal ice that are suspended in the air. So, as we go back to the lesson, the cloud is formally or it's behind this cycle is we called the water cycle. So, they uh, they form a part of the water cycle, which includes, as we all know, the evaporation, condensation, and most often the precipitation. So, we all know and we are understand how the water cycle are create. So, first step is the evaporation, which is when the sun hits a bodies of water like ocean, lakes, rivers like that, waters turn into water vapor and a gas that rises into the atmosphere. So, when the air rises up, um, it uh, it comes with the second step, which is the cooling and condensation as the water rises. So, it cools down because the temperature decreases a higher altitude. So, when it cools down enough, the water vapor turns back into tiny liquid like that, or a water crystal. This process is called condensation. So, these droplets is smoky particles into the air, forming visible clouds. So, in the next step, we are going to know the accumulation. As more as the droplets gather into the sky or up in the sky or up in that form, they become visible to us as see as the cloud. So there you have it. When these droplets grow larger and heavier, they may fall down into our earth. So as the cloud formation create and then precipitate and go and may fall down in our ground like rain, snow, or hail like that. And so that is we called precipitation. So we have types of clouds. First is the cirrus cloud, which is thin, wispy cloud high up in the sky. So these are usually mean for fair weather like kumbaga sunny day, ganyan. But it can as signal a change into upcoming rainfall like that. So next type of cloud is the cumulus cloud, a fluffy and cotton-like clouds that often appear on sunny days. So they have the similarities with the cirrus clouds, but this cumulus cloud is fluffy and cotton-like clouds. So maybe it can produce thunderstorm. So next type of clouds is the stratus cloud. These look like gray blanket covering the sky, often bringing light rain or drizzle. So, when we say stratus clouds, eto na yung pag unti-unting pagpunta or papalapit sa atin na rainfall or ulan. So, in nimbus clouds, this is a thick and dark clouds that brings steady rain or snow. So, the differences between the two is that the stratus cloud looks like rain, but then the nimbus cloud is there is a rain coming, and we know that if there is a rain, the clouds are being dark or darken our light like that. So the importance of clouds are regulating Earth's temperature, of course, distributing fresh water, and of course, weather prediction. So, to sum up or summarize the cloud formation, clouds form when warm and moist air rises. It cools and condenses into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. This simple yet powerful process keeps our planet water cycle coming or running, giving us rain, snow, or even a shade that cools us down. So, the next time you look up in the sky or see the sky, is remember every cloud you see is a part of our natural cycle that connects the ocean, the air, and the land together. So, thank you for listening, and may you always keep your heart in the clouds